Hello, my name is Marilyn Botson, and I'm the service manager here at Palladino Honda. First, I would like to congratulate you on your recent vehicle purchase and welcome you to the Palladino Honda family. As a proud member of the Palladino Auto Group, Palladino Honda has grown to become the premier Honda dealer in Greater Sudbury and the Northern Ontario area. Our entire service operation is now housed in one large building, which includes 13 mechanical bays, service reception, waiting lounge, and our parts and accessories department. If you're new to our service department, I would like to give you a quick tour of our facility and some handy tips on what to do when you arrive for your first service visit. Our service department has 4 full-time service advisors, 15 Honda-trained technicians, 2 full-time appointment coordinators, 2 customer shuttle van drivers, and a host of support staff to accommodate you. Before your service visit, we recommend that you make an appointment, as doing so will ensure that your vehicle will be completed in a specified time to your satisfaction. You may call us, or if you prefer, we can schedule your service appointment online at palladinohonda.com. When you arrive, please take your vehicle to the front left side of the building, where we offer convenient valet parking. For your convenience, we also provide an overnight early bird drop-off service. Once inside the service department, you will be greeted by one of our service advisors who will check you in and then confirm the details of your appointment and answer any questions you may have. Once you have authorized the specific work to be completed, your advisor will arrange a complimentary customer shuttle service or loaner vehicle for your convenience, available Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Should you choose to wait for your service, we offer complimentary Wi-Fi access, gourmet coffee, tea, soft drinks, juice boxes, and water in our comfortable customer lounge. Upon completion of your service advisor will answer any questions you might have and go over the work performed and the details of your invoice. Our goal is to provide you with the easiest, most enjoyable service experience possible here at Palladino Honda. Should you have any questions, any one of our dedicated employees would be delighted to address them for you. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.